the paper cup garden. If we recall, last season I set up a rain barrel that I got from Wayfair, and it was leaking. That was this one over here. And Wayfair has great customer support, and when I called them to let them know, they sent me a replacement barrel. However, it came missing the bulkhead. So again, called them up, and they sent finally a complete barrel, but it came late in the season and I was unable to test it, so it's set up now just to make sure that it doesn't leak, and it seems to be okay. But Wayfair did not want these barrels back, so Amazon to the rescue, and I got these nice brass bulkheads, and I'm going to try to link these barrels together now by drilling a hole on these guys and linking them together, and if anything goes wrong, I've still got my working barrel over here. And there you go. It was a little bit tricky getting the bulkheads to the bottom and in, but they're set up, and now I'm going to link them to the side of the house behind the gate and see what goes on. And there we go. Aside from this barrel not having a hook, or sorry, a hole to put that in, it wasn't cut out. I'll have to drill that in there. We're ready to go. Take you a walk around. So I've got it linked between there to the backup reservoirs over here. And it is supposed to rain for the next few days, and we will see what happens. So after quite a few rainfalls, checking for no leaks, the setup seems to be good. Our lowest point is the middle bucket, and that's where the overflow mainly occurs. But here I have 3 full buckets. Thank you for watching the Paper Cup Garden's linking of 3 rain barrels. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.